People who have evacuated because of Hurricane Ida are dealing with issues above and beyond damage and loss in power. All of those are very important things that have to be dealt with. But here's one thing that people often don't think about. It's what insurance covers and what insurance does not cover. For example, there's a provision in many homeowners and rental insurance policies that will say that if you can't use your house, that you get money to help you pay for expenses while you're waiting for you to be able to use your house again. So typically this might be like if your house burns down or a tree falls on it or some other condition makes your house unlivable, they will provide you with money so that you can pay rent and live outside your house. But here's the thing. If a municipality declares a mandatory evacuation, that loss of use provision automatically gets triggered. However, with Hurricane Ida, the authorities claimed that there was not enough time to declare a mandatory evacuation, and that may very well be true. I don't know what has to legally happen if a municipality declares a mandatory evacuation. I don't know what other things have to happen, and maybe those other things as a result couldn't be done, and maybe that's why they didn't declare a mandatory evacuation. But because there was no mandatory evacuation declared, we don't get to claim the loss of use provision on our insurance policies. Even though we were advised to leave, and even though it was Category 4, even though we have catastrophic power failure in the New Orleans metropolitan area, and even though we're being told that if we evacuated that we should stay away. Actually, no, we're being asked to stay away. They're not telling us you have to stay away, but they're asking us to stay away until they get everything else resolved. So we're being asked to stay and not come home and not do anything when it comes to the storm, yet we can't get money from our insurance policies because they failed to make it a mandatory evacuation. Furthermore, because we have insurance, FEMA is denying our claims for help that way either. So we're getting it from both ends. This is just one of many things that people are having to deal with because of Hurricane Ida. Now, I've made a link on my website. If you go to liberaldan.com, I've listed some, friends of mine who do need help, who you could donate to them directly. So you can help the people out directly, so you don't have to do with any more of the overhead or any more BS when it comes to having to have the money hop from A to B to C. You can help those people and give that money directly to my friends who have evacuated, who I trust, who I know are not abusing the system. But FEMA's denying us and insurance are denying us, yet we're being asked to stay away. It's ridiculous.